In this video, we're going to go over how you can contact Supercell support here in Clash Royale. Before we dive into this, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content just like this. But if you need help with something in Clash Royale, here's how you can actually contact Supercell support directly from the game. Begin by obviously having Clash Royale open, and then tap these little 3 lines icon up in the top right corner. From here, go ahead and find settings and open that up, and then you'll see an option for help and support towards the bottom. Go ahead and click on that. It's going to open up a page like this, and up in the top right corner, you're going to want to go ahead and select that little chat icon, and then select chat with us or chat with a gameplay bot, or even leave a message just like so. It might give you a few suggested options. You can go ahead and just skip those, but now you would just simply type out your message describing your issue that you might be having in detail. Now I will say you can also select a pre-written topic, but it's usually best to just send your own custom message if it's something specific. But it really is as simple as that. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below, and remember to like and subscribe for even more videos like this. Have a great day.